What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to review Oracle stock here. Now, we were talking about this monster sell-off from 249 all the way down to 120. It's a 51% pullback. But today we got the green volume coming in. Is this the time to buy? That's what we're going to discuss right now. Looking in the last 3 months, it has pulled back over that 50% mark. Now, what you need to do, the levels to watch here, is $135 per share. This was the rejection point, 133 to 135. We need to see, is Oracle stock going to retest this? That's normal after a big pullback. Retest this level and then push back lower. That is something we want to be watching here. If you look at the 1 year, it's clear as day that 135 is your previous support level that turned into resistance. Look right here on February 10th of 2026, and then right here, April of 2026. These were both major support levels that did break right here. So it's only natural to think that as we move closer, if we get to this 135, is it going to reject? You already had that original sell-off point. Now we need to see what it does here. It's definitely a safe entry to get into Oracle stock now, with a stop loss that could be right below $120 per share. So if you are looking for an entry and you enter right here at 126 right now, you're only risking about 4% versus looking for about a 6% move. If we can hold 135 and break above that, you are looking at a much larger gain, pushing up to about $150 per share. The way I look at this swing trade is you're risking 4% from 126 down to 120. Pushing all the way back up to 150 is about an 18 to 20% move. That would be what I'm looking for when it comes to Oracle stock, ticker symbol ORCL.